here we are in the lobby, and we have this elevator here to ride. Takes you up to the cafe. That goes to where all the stuff is at. Which, they actually added this, which is stupid, I think. Because this is an emergency exit and there's an alarm on that. So weird. They've changed so many things on this. And also with this one, you can't call it upstairs. They have it turned off. Because apparently from 10:30 and after, you can't call it. It's so weird. Oh, here's this one. Floor layout is weird. The other thing you might be hearing is the other two elevators. These are big. And then these doors have their own door operator for its own half. Door close works. There's the other elevator right there. They're all joined shafts. So that's going to be that.